Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer. K-I-T. That's my name. Can you spell Kit? Let me hear you say it. K-I-T. That's right. And guess what? It's springtime right now. And in the spring, things are new and blooming. And in the United States, we have a national holiday called Easter. And on Easter, we get to hunt for eggs and find all the fun spring things that are inside of them. Do you want to come on an Easter egg hunt with me and Miles and someone special? Come on, let's go. Can you say hi to the kids at home?
Hi.
I've got Miles with me. And Miles, who's this?
Rippy.
Ripley? Who's Ripley?
My sister.
She's your sister? Well, hey, Ripley. Look at you. I love your bow. And you both have buckets. What are the buckets for?
Easter egg.
To hunt for Easter eggs. Maybe some of you kids at home are gonna hunt for Easter eggs this weekend. Hunting for Easter eggs is so much fun. They're colorful and bright, and you never know what you might find inside of them. Today, we're gonna have a fun time hunting for Easter eggs. Remember, if you have a brother or a sister, you could help each other out to find some eggs. Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, you're gonna help each other out. Let's go, kids. Let's look around for some eggs. Whether you're hunting for Easter eggs with friends or with your family, the best way to make sure you're having a lot of fun is by sharing and working together. On Easter egg hunts, you never know what you might find. You might find a cuddly baby chick or a fuzzy, fluffy Easter bunny. How cute. Look, Ripley's a little baby and she needs some help. And look what I just stepped on. A yellow Easter egg. What's inside of this yellow Easter egg? Candy? There's candies in these eggs. When we find an Easter egg, we put the Easter egg in our bucket. Whoa, Miles is finding some Easter eggs, and come here, Ripley. Look at this basket full of Easter eggs that Miles is getting. How many do you have in here? At Easter time, the older kids tend to find more eggs than the little ones, like Ripley. In order to make sure that everybody gets a good amount of eggs, make sure that you're helping your younger brothers and sisters who aren't as good at finding eggs, so that everyone can have eggs at the end of the day and be happy. Whoa, look at all those eggs. Miles is getting so many eggs, but little Ripley is just a baby, and she doesn't know how to hunt for eggs. So Miles, what could we do to help Ripley find some eggs with you? Should we hold her hand so that she can find some eggs? Let's go help her. It's great to help your brothers and sisters. Oh, there she is. Come here. Give me your hand and hold a bucket in the other one. Now we're helping each other find the eggs. Teamwork is the best way to work. Here's another one. Yellow. Now Ripley has eggs in her basket, and Miles is getting eggs in his basket. Let's keep looking. Let's fill these baskets up. Everyone celebrates Easter in a different way. Some people paint eggs, some people have Easter egg hunts. Look at how beautiful these painted eggs are. Wow. You can even paint eggs at home with your parents with an egg dyeing kit. Part of what makes Easter egg hunts outside so fun is that in the spring, Easter is one of the first days where we can get out and enjoy the green grass and the warming weather. You guys, guess what I just found? Come here. Come on, Miles. Look what I found. It's the golden egg, probably laid by a golden goose. I wonder what's inside of this one. Could it be $1 million? Or maybe a dinosaur? Should we crack it open and find out? Nope, just candies. Let's fill our buckets up the rest of the way. What do you think?
Go to me.
Let's do it. Here, take your bucket. Let's go around the yard and make sure we pick up all the eggs. Here's another one for you, Ripley. We don't want you to be left out. Here you go. Oh, there's one right there. Go grab it. We found 3 eggs over here, and look, there's a blue egg. I bet you Ripley would love that one. And here's one for Ripley. It's good to share and make sure the people that are around us that can't collect as many eggs, like your younger brothers and sisters, get some help so that everyone can have a great, fun time when it's Easter time or when you're just playing games. Whether you're hunting for Easter eggs or just playing games with your brothers and sisters or your friends, using teamwork and cooperating so that everyone can have fun is the best way to play. How nice. Whoa, here's a purple egg in the grass. Can you grab that one? We're finding so many eggs out here. This one has bugs? I don't see any bugs on it. But if you're having an Easter egg hunt outside, it's probably a good idea to check your eggs and make sure there's no bugs on them, because you don't want to put them in your basket if it's full of bugs. So check your eggs. Here's the wall. More Easter eggs to find. Hey kids, do you see any Easter eggs that you could find? I think I see some. Where are the ones that you see? Oh, Miles found them. Look, a green one. Ripley's finding some eggs, Miles is finding some eggs, and we're having a fun time sharing. What fun colors do you see? I see blue and blue again. What color is that? Pink. Well, kids, I'm sure glad that you joined us for this fun and educational episode of Kit Explores. And I hope you all have a fun and safe, happy Easter, no matter how you celebrate it. And remember, no matter what you're doing this weekend and every day, if you've got brothers and sisters, make sure you share a lot, make sure you're nice to them, and make sure you listen to your parents. And parents, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media on Instagram at Kit Explores. Do you want to say bye to the kids?
Bye!
Bye! Let's go help Ripley find some more eggs. What do you say?
Another one.
Another one! Let's go help her find some more.